In this video, we will look at analyzing three-body problem using GNU Emacs. Three-body problem is a sci-fi series on Netflix, though this video is more about analyzing it with GNU Emacs than about the storyline. Apparently, it's a three-part series, but I don't know when the next part will arrive on Netflix, so I've made some notes. Do you find this note useful? For me, it wasn't much useful. I needed something more visual. So let's try creating some notes using org-rome. We will have the name and the image to display with each node. I have created a custom function node from clipboard. Okay, node is created. Let's refresh the image. Yeah, this looks fine. Let's do the same now for rest of the characters in the story. So we go into CSV mode, copy the character names using the rectangle mode. First the names, then the images, let's delete this node and we will recreate all of them at one go. Let's refresh the image. Yeah, looks fine. Now let's group the characters. So we have the Sophon and the follower inside the VR game. We'll tag them as VR game. We'll tag Wade and Dashi as the investigators. And finally, Jin, Will, Saul, Audrey, and Jack Rooney as the Oxford 5. There are a lot of nodes, and it can be unwieldy to look at them without context. So we need a tag view. So this is our tag view where we have all the tags, and then we can click on the tag and it will take you to the corresponding group view. We can also delete all the nodes associated with a tag. So let's do that. That's all for this video. Thanks.